Good morning. It's Memorial Day. Beautiful day. Beautiful blue skies. Kind of a somber day for a lot of us veterans that we just kind of chill out. Really don't do much of anything. Just remember those that made the ultimate sacrifice for our country. Gonna work on the race bike today. I got the new Fairings on there. I'm still working on the lower. I haven't got it completely finished yet. I got this side pretty much attached, and yeah, I gotta finish the coffee. I gotta do a little bit of grinding and just a little bit of adjustments on this to get this side up to where it needs to be. Yeah, holding coffee and doing this doesn't work, but it's a little bit off. I need to space out this standoff a little bit. A couple of washers under here and space that out just a little bit. This is good. I might have to re-drill the hole a little bit more forward. I used all the mounting holes from the hot bodies. I already got my decals on it. My one and only sponsor, Rob's Dyno Service. I will put honorable mentions for everybody else down on the lower. Products that I use and I like, that work well. Pirelli, DP brakes, Woodcraft. Those type of decals I'll put on my lower. And yeah. Front's all on there. Looks good. Looks good. It's going to look really nice for the Loudon Classic weekend. Looking forward to that. We only got a couple of more weeks here. About 3. Well, tomorrow, just a couple of weeks. Looking forward to it. Spending 4 or 5 days at the track. It's always fun. So, it's going to be warm enough today that I can actually get the lower painted. So as soon as I get done making the adjustments to this and getting it fitted correctly, I'll go ahead and yeah, squirt some paint on it. And after a day or two, everything will be all set. And the bike will be ready. I did make one little minor, very minor gearing change. Just need to get a little more RPM coming out of some of the corners. And so I made a very minor gearing change. And we'll see how that works out. It should work out fine. Yeah, beautiful day. All right, I'll be back.